Welcome to the Ignite Maker Lab at the Noblesville Library. I'm McKenna, and today I'm going to introduce you to our two 3D printers. The printing station is located on the west wall of the Maker Lab and visible as soon as you come in through the left door. We have two Bamboo Lab X13D printers capable of multicolor printing thanks to the automatic material system above. The AMS allows for filament switching mid-print. The printers are labeled Maker Lab A and Maker Lab B. They use Bamboo Studio to slice and send projects. First, I'm going to cover the rules for 3D printing in the Maker Lab. Printing inappropriate objects or weapons is strictly prohibited. Do not attempt to modify or fix the printer. Alert staff of any errors with the machine. Do not remove your project from the machine. When it is complete, Maker Lab staff will remove it for you. Do not change the height of the tables while the printer is in use. For every print, a print ticket is filled out containing important information. This includes things like print weight, calculated cost, and pickup time. To 3D print in the Maker Lab, you must first be 13 or older. You must complete certification before operating the printers, and you must reserve printing time through the Ignite Maker Lab Communico page. Visit our website to learn more about getting certified. At the Maker Lab, we use Bamboo Lab filament. Any outside filament may not be used for printing. We provide a variety of filaments including PLA, PETG-HF, and PLA-CF. Prints are priced based on their weight class. The total weight of your print can be viewed in Bamboo Studio after slicing. The total weight accounts for all filament used, which includes waste filament, supports, and misprints. A note for multicolor printing. An increased amount of waste filament is created during multicolor prints due to the switching between colors. Please keep this in mind when thinking about your final print price. Next, I'll show you how to slice and print a project using Bamboo Studio. This will be a quick run-through, so I recommend watching a more in-depth tutorial on Bamboo Studio before printing. Today I'm printing a multicolored post-it note holder for the Maker Lab. I downloaded this project file from printables.com. Other online resources for 3D models are MakerWorld, which is connected to Bamboo Studio, and Thingiverse. We highly recommend reading through the description provided by the model creator. These descriptions and other users' comments tend to include important notes like ideal print settings and updated files. In my case, there is no description, so I'm printing with the slicer's default settings. Bamboo Studio uses .3mf files for its projects and accepts a variety of model files. If you have access to Bamboo Studio, we recommend creating and finalizing your project before coming to the Maker Lab to print. This ensures you can use your reservation time to the fullest. You can edit models, add text, assign colors, and save specific print settings within Bamboo Studio projects. If you have your model file downloaded, open an empty project in Bamboo Studio. Click the Add button to place your model file on the build plate. You can click Auto Orient to orient it correctly. Often you want the flattest part of your model to be printed first. If necessary, edit any print settings in the sidebar. For simpler prints, the default settings work perfectly fine. Next, click on Slice Plate. This will prep your model for printing and show you the printing process via sliders. If satisfied with the slice result, click Print Plate. This will prompt you to select a printer, Maker Lab A or Maker Lab B. Choose the correct printer and click Send. Make sure to monitor your print in the beginning stages and notify staff of any printer errors. Again, patrons should never remove their prints from the machine, so when your print is finished, notify a staff member and they will remove it for you. If you are not present once your print is finished, Maker Lab staff will place your project and print ticket on the pickup shelves next to the printers. So here's our final product, a multicolor print using all 4 colors. It's a little organizer to hold our post-it notes. Thank you for watching this introduction to 3D printing at the Ignite Maker Lab.